Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an order grabbing website with a new concept. So basically this is a new type of concept for an order grabbing website. So in this video there will be you have to subscribe plan, and according to plan you will get some orders. Like orders are for the product review. Like user have to give reviews to different products, and after each review he will get his profit. So this was a general overview of the working of this site. In this video I'm going to completely explain each and everything related to this website, and it has an amazing admin panel from where you can completely control this website. So let's start this video. First of all, viewers, if you want to buy this source code from us, or if you want us to build this complete amazing website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of this video, and we will build this site for you. So also like and subscribe to our channel as well. So first of all, here you can see that I'm on my login page. Here I have to enter my username and password. If you don't have an account, user can just go to register page and create account and login. So first of all, here we have to enter our username, and after that we'll have to enter our password. And after entering these details, when I click on login, so it will log me into my user panel of this website. So you can see that we have successfully logged into the user panel of this website. So you can see how amazing the look of this website is. And here, first of all, let me go to home page. And on home page, first of all, you can see there is a banner. You can change banners from admin panel. Here you can see there is an option to deposit, withdraw. Here you can see your company profile and illustrate section. Here you can see the live users on the website, and here the commissions that user earned. So it has a very amazing look over here in purple look. So here, if user want to deposit money on the website, user have to click on deposit. Here user can select any gateway that you can insert from admin panel and deposit money to the website. And here we have to copy this Binance ID. After payment we have to upload our screenshot, and the request will be sent to admin, and when admin will approve our request, the amount or deposit will be added to our account. So this is how user can deposit money on the website, and here user can withdraw money same like that. So here choose the gateway and user can withdraw money from his account easily, and it's a very simple and easy to manage site, and it's completely new in market, new design. If you want to buy this from us, you can contact us and we will build this for you, or you can only buy a script and we'll guide you with it. And viewers, if you buy from us, you will get complete support and you don't need to worry about anything. Here in levels you can see the plans for order grabbing. So basically this is the order grabbing site. Here you can see your credit score, and admin can decrease or increase the credit score from admin panel. Here you can see that currently there are multiple plans. Here you can see the plan 40 grabs daily, and all the details you can view it over here. Here you can see the 1400 to 1499 to $4,099 plan, and 45 grabs and commission, daily commission. Each and everything you can view it from here, and you can completely see everything, and you can subscribe to plan. Here our this plan VIP1 is already activated, so we can, if you want to subscribe new plan, we can subscribe the new plan as well, but our first plan is activated. Now let me show you how it works. So we will go to grab section, and you can see how amazing this look is. You can see your total balance, total grabs in a day. Like we have completed 1 grab out of 40, and our 2-day profit is $0.16. Here you can see your total grabs and remaining, etc. You can see the look, amazing look over here. And this thing has one more amazing option, is like lucky order option. So you can give user a big order from admin panel at any time you want, and user can also like it's like a gift order, so you can give it to user and make user balance in negative as well. So this will be all. Here if we want to grab our order, so we have to click this. So here we have to give a review to our product. So this is a new concept. So here we have to click on auto review, and our review is filled on this product. And when we click on review now, so it is asking review submitted successfully. When we will click OK, our order has completed, and you can see our commission has increased to $0.36 and 2 grabs are completed. Similarly, we will click again, review the product, OK, and our this order has completed as well, and you can see our commission has increased to $0.52. So this is the order grabbing, but in a new concept of like giving reviews to different product. This is basically a task investment website. And here, if user want to generate the support ticket, so user can create support ticket and communicate with the admin of website. Here's the account section. So here you can see your balance, 2-day profit. Here you can see credit score, deposit, team section. You can refer different people to earn money. So here is the referral link. You can copy this and refer different people, and you can earn money through referrals as well. Withdraw, total deposits, withdrawal. Here you can see all your account information over here. You can change your images, zip code, etc. from here. Here's deposit history. Here it will show your withdraw history. Here you can also see your review record. So here you can see all your review record, etc. over here in the section. Here you can see lucky order record and mega order record as well. So here you can see all records. Here you can see all your commissions, and you can log out. So this was all about the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel, and I will show you how you can completely manage this website from the amazing admin panel of this website. So viewers, in order to go to admin panel, here I will copy link. It's very simple. So type /admin after the link, and here we have to enter our credentials. So here we have to enter our username, and here we have to enter our password. After entering these details, when I click on login, it will log me into the admin panel. Sorry, I have entered the wrong details. Now when I click on login, it will log me into the admin panel. So we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website, and on the top you can see it has hosted on my subdomain demo3.fly999.com. It is my subdomain, and I'm giving you the demo on my own subdomain. Here you can see your total users, total VIP users, 2-day deposits, total withdrawals, total deposits, charges, withdraw, commission charges, withdrawals, etc. You can view all these things over here in this section. If you want to change the admin password, profile, etc., you can change it from here. Here is manage admin. You can create the multiple admins to manage your website. Here you can set referral commissions. So here you can set referral commission on like task completion, grab bonus. Here you can create it on deposit bonus as well. So you can create multiple levels of referral commission from here, and you can enable and disable them. From VIP plans, you can create the plans from here. So if you want to create the new VIP plan on your website, you can create it simply from here. It's very simple and easier to make plans, and you can disable the existing plans as well. Here you can insert the products on your website, like products and their prices. You can add new products from here, and you can delete the existing ones as well. So here you can see all your users, PTC report. Here in users you can view all your users. Like I will click on all users, you can go to their details, you can add balance to their account, you can subtract balance from their account, and here you can reset their grabs as well. If user have completed daily grabs, you can reset as well from here. Here is order setting, like you can give lucky order to user and mega order. Like lucky order you can give it to user from here, like any amount. Daily gift to user, you can gift or give gift order to users. Here you can set the grab count, like on 8th grab user will get this lucky order. So similarly you can reset it and manage it from here. You can update credit scores for users from here. So it's a very amazing site, and you can manage this completely from here. And if you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with it. Here you can insert automatic or manual gateways as well. Here currently there are 2 manual gateways. You can edit them as well, and you can fill your own details from here. If you want to create a new gateway, just click on add new, and by filling these simple details you can click a new gateway on your website. It's a very simple and easier method. In deposits, pending requests, when user will request a deposit, the request will come here and you have to approve it or reject it. And here is a withdrawal section. So here you can create the withdrawal method. You can go to this, and there is only one withdrawal method. You can edit it, and you can insert a new withdrawal method from here as well. So it's a very simple and easier way to make a withdrawal method. And viewers, if you haven't liked the video, like it, and subscribe to our channel as well for more this kind of amazing videos. And here is general settings option. So from here you can change the name of website, currency of website. You can use this in any currency like INR, PKR, NGN, whatever currency you want to use this website in, you can use it. And color is also changeable from admin panel. Here from system configuration, you can turn on off email verification, KYCs, verifications, language options, etc. You can turn them on off from here. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of website and you can insert your own logo from here. Similarly, you can insert language extension. You can manage the SEO of this website directly from here. And here is the manage pages. You can manage different sections about banner, etc. All these are manageable from here and you can manage them easily from here. Like you can see there is a banner section, so you can change your banner or insert your own banners from here. Click on add new and you can add new banners to your website. Similarly, all the pages are editable. You can edit them and use this website. So viewers, in this video I completely guided you about this order grabbing website. If you want to buy this amazing order grabbing website, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and you can get this amazing website at a very reasonable price from market. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.